Hi, this is Alex from InboxArmy, and today I'll be showing you how to bulk suppress profiles in Klaviyo. Simply log into your Klaviyo account, go to Listen Segments on the left-hand side, and create new segment. Since this is a test version, I'll be writing test here, and I'm just going to be using one email address to show you guys, but it works with any segment with any properties and any amount of people in it. So once that is done, just click on create segment and your segment should be ready. So once your segment is all set up, go to the right hand side on the actions button here with the three dots, click and find the suppress current members option. Click on that and you should see a pop-up open with the confirmation to go ahead with bulk suppress. Click on the bulk suppress button. So once you do that, all the email addresses within that particular segment would be bulk suppressed. You can follow the same process for the list as well. So I had created this test list to show you guys how the bulk suppress works with the list. So simply go to the right hand side on the action button, scroll a bit, click on suppress current members, and the confirmation pop-up opens up. Just simply click on the bulk suppress button here, and once you do that, all the email addresses within that particular list would be bulk suppressed. So that was pretty much it on the bulk suppression. But if you wish to unsuppress any of the list or segment, you can simply follow the same process. Just go to the action here, but instead of choosing suppress, you can simply go with unsuppress, and again the confirmation pop-up opens up. You can click on bulk unsuppress, and this would unsuppress all the email addresses within that segment or list. I hope that helped. Thank you so much, and follow InboxArmy for more such stuff.